Terry Lynn, Traveling Artista. This is my little backpack that I keep in the car or nearby all the time with me. It's a small one. I think it was a kid's backpack, but it's great for plein air sketching. I have a journal where I keep ideas and thoughts in that. I can sit anywhere and just meditate. This is my wonderful little sketchbook. I use these. I have a number of these now, so many. And I have a number of sketches in them and little watercolors and notes about my thoughts and feelings as I'm in each location. So if I use these sketches to paint from, I can have myself taken back with my ideas. There's some like watercolor paper maybe, and this is my little Cotman watercolor palette that I use when I am, oh, it's stuck. I use this when I'm out on location, quick and easy to use. There's a brush with it, but I actually use a Pentel water brush. I'll show you that in a sec. I need to soak that and loosen it up. Here's a microphone if I need to record what I'm doing, my thoughts for my journaling and my YouTube channel. Fits right in that pack. In the front, I have my Pentel pens. Oh, first, there are my business cards because people are always curious and you want to send them to your website. A viewfinder that I don't use that often. My Pentel pens, I usually use a 3 and an 8, and the Pentel water pens. Some readers, just in case I'm out there and I forgot my glasses, and fingernail file. Keeps things clean. That's basically all I have. And then if I'm driving along and I see a great scene, I can stop by the road, quick and easy, grab my journal, grab my sketchbook, and get some ideas down. Quick and easy. It's great for just hiking around too, in case you don't want to take all your equipment. It all fits in this nice little backpack. Ching ching. I don't need a bottle of water because the water's in that brush pen. Keep it simple and light, and you'll be prepared to sketch and journal everywhere.